Hi there, Yevgen here from a Canadian company Appliance Service Guys. Let's go! Canadian city of Winnipeg, Batsworth area. Maytag refrigerator. Other than the light coming on, it is not functioning. No sounds coming from it at all. Don't worry, we'll fix it together in 2 minutes. But first, I advise you to click the subscribe button on Yevgen's Fix Lab right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance and repair of appliances. Reason for service call. Only the light in the refrigerator works, the freezer and refrigerator compartments do not work. There are no characteristic sounds of a working refrigerator. I'll start by turning off the power and unscrewing the protective part of the compressor compartment to check all the components. Using a multimeter, I checked all the wires and contacts, the compressor, start relay, starting capacitor and compressor fan. All components are in order except for the state of the contacts on the start relay. I made a reliable contact and turned on the refrigerator. Success! The compressor started working, starting maintenance. I cleaned the compressor compartment and radiator from accumulated dust. To make sure that the refrigerator will work correctly, I unscrew the protective plate in the freezer compartment. Visually and using a multimeter, I monitor and check the operating parameters of all components. All components are normal. I put everything back together and turn it on. The Maytag refrigerator is in working order and ready for further use. You subscribe and like. I'm making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.